Welcome to Python Tooltips. In this episode, we'll create the foundation on which we will build our programs and games, the window. To do that, we will first import and initialize Pygame. And that's it. This way, you import Pygame and initialize it. Next, we create the foundations for our screen. With these few lines, we created two variables for the screen width and screen height, and gave it values for how many pixels should the screen be wide or high. Then, we created an object screen and equaled it to pygame.display.setMode. This is a predefined function in Python, so we use that to create our screen. And within that function, we're using screen width and screen height, the variables we just created. Instead of the variables, we could also put integer values in there. But in a lot of cases, you need the screen width and screen height to work with in your program, so it's better to declare those as variables. Next, we will want to give our window a caption, like this. You will see in a moment where this caption is coming into play. For now, we will want to do one more thing. We will want to create our game loop, like this. With these few lines of code, we basically created our game loop. We set a variable run to true, and then created a while loop. So we're telling Python, while run is true, check every event happening. Check everything the player does, check everything that's going on. And as soon as that event is quit, meaning as soon as you click the close button of the window, set run to false, and therefore close the window and quit the program. And that's it. Let's run the program. And there we have it. There is our window. 800 pixels wide, 600 pixels high. With the caption, "This is my window name," in the upper left. And if we click the X now, it will close the window and stop the program. And that's it. That's how you create a window to display your game in. See you next time for more tooltips.